Hello, my name is Khatin Ashifah Nazira binti Abdullah, and my team members, which is Khairul Nisa binti Muhammad Khairi and Sharif Muhammad Nur Adam. We are from group L37. Today, we will present about the architectural innovation in smart logistics, which is our product is a smart shelf solution that this product we replicate from the YCH group. To start our presentation, we would like to share our theory to practice blueprint. We use 3 levels to guide us, which is the first level, the benchmark, which is the micro. We look at the legacy of Dr. Robert Yap at YCH group, which is he focusing on human-centered design and regional integration. For the second level, we have the exchange, which is the theory. We use Henderson and Clark's framework of architectural innovation to understand how reconfiguring existing component create massive new value. And then for the third level, the application, which is the micro. This is where our product, smart shelf solution, or rak kuda pintar come in. It's a localized and scalable hardware application design to eradicate inventory stockout. Our project is rooted in a deep history. It started in 1955 with humble beginnings in passenger transport by the late Yap Che Hock. In the 1970s, Dr. Robert Yap joined and pivoted the business toward cargo and extend supply chain service. Today, they are known as Singapore's largest homegrown end-to-end partner integration strategy with execution, as known as 7PL at Supply Chain City. Most importantly, we not just build the product, but we also build the family culture by following the ethos that family is everything. We believe in relentless forward-thinking innovation and continuous learning. And now we will move to the slide number 3, which is empowering the human element via Scala. We know that true smart logistics require human-centered capability building, not just deploying hardware. For this slide, we will focus on three pillars from the Scala model. For the first model is professional conversation. We reskill the professional, which is PMATs, for high-tech role through dedicated 12-month program. And then for the second model is experiential learning. We move beyond classroom theory into practical hands-on training within the real-time environment of supply chain city. And then for the third model is the learn ecosystem. This fosters a community that stimulates innovation through collaboration and train the mentor philosophy. Finally, we look at scaling the vision. Through the SG Connect initiative, we aim to support the consumption need of rapidly urbanizing Asian city while solving problems like traffic and pollution. Our mechanism is to implement modern and smart logistic infrastructure similar to the Superport in Vietnam to create a seamless regional connectivity. Our socio-economic goal is to move the lower part of the value chain up and improve the livelihoods of people through optimized trade flow.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Khairul Nisa binti Muhammad Khairi and my matric number is A23A1846.
So for this slide, it is basically explaining different type of innovation. There are 4 types: incremental, modular, architectural, and radical. Incremental is like small improvement, nothing major, just upgrading what already exists. Modular means you change component, but the overall system stay the same. And radical is completely new component and new system, like something totally different. But the focus here is architectural innovation. This means we keep the same component but we rearrange how they work together. So the idea is, instead of inventing something new, we reconfigure existing tech and create something valuable. That is how company can create big impact without high cost. This slide is comparing YCH group with our idea. YCH operate on a macro level, meaning big regional supply chains. They use architectural innovation by recognizing existing trade routes. They also focus on people, like training workers through programs like Scala. Now, what we are doing is taking the idea and apply it on micro level. Instead of big supply chain, we focus on warehouse shelf. So basically, we extract the DNA of YCH success and apply it to a smaller problem. Our smart shelf also use simple tech but improve efficiency. And for human side, we make it super easy, like no training needed, just visual signal. So this is our main idea: smart inventory shelf. The first problem, at many SME warehouse still use manual counting. This causes errors, stock out, and even worker fatigue. Then our solution, a smart shelf that can detect stock levels automatically. It can even signal when stock is low. So instead of waiting for the problem, it's proactive. The value here is prevent stock out before they happen. Low cost but high impact. So basically, we are making warehouse management smarter and easier. This slide explains how our prototype actually works. There are 3 main components. First, the structure. It is made from cheap material like cardboard or lightweight composite. Because this is just a prototype, we focus on low cost. Second, the sensory layer. We use weight sensors and IR sensors. This detects how much stock is left. Third, the visual interface, like simple LED lights. Green means okay, red means low stock. The idea is to keep everything simple, cheap, and functional. And we use rapid prototyping, meaning we test and improve quickly before scaling. This slide connects everything back to architectural innovation. We are not inventing new technology. We are using existing components like shelf, sensors, and LED lights. But what's new is how we combine them into one system. This creates a self-monitoring shelf. The impact, it replaces manual stock counting, save time, and reduce human error. This is what they call creative destruction. We improve the system without expensive software or complex innovation. So overall, this proves our idea is practical, scalable, and innovative.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sari Muhammad Nur Adam bin Sari Rosli. My matrix number is A23A2257. So today I would like to talk about designing for the floor worker for target ideas, warehouse operators in SME and localized logistic hubs. The human toll. Just as Scala focus on improving livelihoods, Smart Chef is specifically engineered to remove the most tedious, repetitive manual labor from the warehouse floor. The empowered worker. Zero friction adoption, which is visual LED cues require absolute zero language proficiency. Eliminate the need for the complex software training and drastically reduce cognitive load and worker fatigue. Go-to market and pilot strategy. Intended target market. Primary focus on SME warehouses, local e-commerce fulfillment centers, and regional distributors who cannot afford massive ASRS systems. For competitive advantage, SmartChef provides a high ROI, frictionless entry point into smart logistics. For pilot, location and testing, projected deployment in high turnover local SME environments. Scaling the vision. For the layer 1, operation and finance engineering link cost-effective manufacturing and calculating ROI viability for prospective local SME partners. For the layer 2, blockchain integration feature phase will link SmartChef's localized IR or weight data directly to immutable blockchain ledgers. And for layer 3, ecosystem marketing positioning Rock Gudang Pintar not merely as a piece of hardware, but as an affordable entry node into digitized ASEAN-wide smart logistic networks. The innovation replication flywheel. Continuous supply chain optimization. First, architectural innovation. Second, regional connectivity. Third, human empowerment. And fourth, top-notch smart infrastructure. The future of ASEAN logistics is smart, connected and human. By successfully extracting the architectural innovation and human-centered design principle of YCH Group, SmartChef solution is positioned to eradicate inventory stockouts and elevate the foundation of the global value chain.